Welcome to an IVS computer technology video tutorial. My name is Julie and I'm the education consultant that's going to walk you through today's steps. This video tutorial is part of our series titled How Smart Ink Works. And today I'm going to share how to use Smart Ink with the internet. This is something that many of our teachers are doing, so we thought we'd create a video to help get you started. Smart Ink is going to allow you to use digital ink to annotate over any open window on your computer, and this includes your internet browser. If you move the window, resize it, or minimize it, the Smart Ink is going to stay with that window. When using the internet, you're going to be able to write, draw, or highlight over that internet page. You can also move your digital ink as well as convert it to typed text. And one of the greatest things is that now we can freely scroll and follow links without having to close the Smart Ink features. In the past, with the digital ink layer, we would have to close that digital ink layer and then scroll or follow the links to annotate over a new page. So let's check out the steps we would need to take to use Smart Ink with the internet. My first step is to launch the internet and then navigate to the desired web page. Once I'm there, I'm going to select the Smart Ink toolbar that appears at the top right hand corner, and I'm going to choose a pen. I can also select a pen from my Smart Interactive products, such as my Smart Board or my Smart Slate. At that point, I can then start writing over the page, clicking links and annotating as necessary. And then to return to my cursor mode to manipulate my ink, I'm going to go back to that Smart Ink toolbar and choose the select icon, or I can just replace the pen if I've taken it from the Smart Board pen tray. Let's take a look in real time. I've already pulled up a website that I plan to use, and you can see at the top right hand corner you see the Smart Ink toolbar. I'm going to click on this toolbar and choose a pen. You can choose the thickness as well as highlighters and calligraphic ink. When I start writing, you'll notice that my tools automatically disappear. I'm going to draw a number. I have to go back up to this toolbar to select my cursor, or I could have just chosen the cursor on my slate or replaced my pen at the Smart Board. My next step is to highlight this number here, because what I'm going to do after I highlight, I'm going to click on my digital ink and I'm going to use this icon here to convert it to text, and you'll see that 17 is going to turn into 10. Okay, and now I can show phase, and here it is. If I don't need this ink any longer, I can use the X to delete it, and I can continue to choose pens and annotate over this page. Once I'm finished, again, I go back to my cursor so that I can then return to what I was doing prior to using my ink. Thank you for joining us for another IVS Computer Technology tutorial.